Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deeper into Rust programming. We'll cover essential topics like data types, variables, functions, control flow with if statements, and loops. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of these fundamental concepts. So, let's get started. In Rust, every value has a data type, which tells Rust what kind of data is being stored so it knows how to operate on it. Let's start with some basic data types. Here, we have integers x and y, floating point numbers r and b, a boolean is adhorekhit active, and a character letter. Rust is a statically typed language, so it needs to know the types of all variables at compile time. Sometimes, Rust can infer the type, but other times, we need to specify it explicitly. Next, let's talk about variables. In Rust, variables are immutable by default, meaning once a value is assigned to a variable, it can't be changed. If you need to change the value, you can use the mut keyword to make the variable mutable. As you can see, the value of x cannot be changed once it's set because it is immutable. However, the value of y can be changed because it is declared with mut. This ensures that the code is safe and helps prevent accidental changes to variables. Functions in Rust are defined using the fn keyword. Functions allow us to encapsulate code for reuse, making our programs more modular and easier to manage. In this example, we have a function add that takes two arbitrary parameters and returns their sum. We call this function from the main function and print the result. The vadu arbitraries after the parameter list indicates that the function returns an arbitraries type. Control flow in Rust is handled using if statements, similar to many other programming languages. Let's see how it works. In this code, we check if a number is less than, equal to, or greater than 5 and print an appropriate message. The if statement allows us to branch our code based on conditions, making our programs more dynamic and flexible. Rust provides several ways to perform repetition, such as loop, while, and for loops. Let's explore each of them. Here, we have an infinite loop using loop with a break condition to exit the loop when the count reaches 3. We also have a while loop that counts down from 3 to 0, and a for loop that iterates over an array. These loops allow us to repeat code multiple times, making our programs more efficient and concise. And there you have it. We've covered data types, variables, functions, control flow with if statements, and loops in Rust. Practice these concepts to solidify your understanding, and don't hesitate to ask questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.